What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A. I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys have been doing good. So today I'm gonna do a recap video on how my crypto portfolios have been doing and my Acorns portfolio and how it ended the second week of May. Now that the week is over and we're heading into the third week of May. So basically, obviously a lot of crypto has been pulling back. The stock market has been pulling back. A lot of people have been losing money. A lot of the talks about another recession. Obviously, interest rates have been going higher. You know, gas is higher now. Everything is more expensive. You got still the war in Ukraine still going on, and we also have COVID-19 still around. So all of this is impacting the market. And if you're a long-term investor, none of this should be worrying you at all. Long term, all of this is going to pass like it's always been in history. With the stock market, obviously the crypto market hasn't been around in a long time. So we will see how the crypto market takes place with all of this negativity, all the negative news going on right now in the world. But for me, I'm not worried one bit. I'm just taking advantage of pullbacks that we're seeing in the stock market and in the crypto market. So here is my crypto portfolio. You can see it's only at $6,933.60 at the time of recording. It's taken a humongous pullback from, I believe, my all-time high with my crypto portfolio here on Sofi was around 13K. It's only at 6,000 now. You can see my total gains only at 936. It used to be around 6,000 in total gains. So the huge pullback that we had with crypto is taking a toll on my portfolio. You can see my Bitcoin gains are only 551. My Ethereum gains only at 417 and 45 cents. So that's currently where my portfolio is at the time of recording. I'm going to show you guys my Coinbase portfolio. You can see the balance at 658 and 5 cents. I do have my XLM. I basically transferred my XLM from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. So now you can see I have 1,669 coins of XLM. I still have Algorand, which is basically what I'm going a little bit more aggressively on because they actually just raised up that APY now to 5.75%. I appreciate one of my subscribers for letting me know that. Shiba Inu I'm still holding on to at 5 million coins. AMP, I also have, you can see 4,252. I have DAI and USD coin and Bitcoin and all the other free coins that Coinbase lets us earn. So that's where my Coinbase portfolio is at 658 and 64 cents at the time of recording. So like I said, the crypto market pulling back. I'm taking advantage of the pullbacks, of course, and try to dollar cost average my way into mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum because I believe mainly in those crypto coins for the longer term. These other coins that I have maybe are a couple years of play. I don't think I'm going to be holding on to these for like 5 or 10 years. Maybe to Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm going to hold on to them for a very long time. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. So please do your own research. That's where my Coinbase portfolio is at. So that's with crypto. Now with Acorns, I have been putting more money in. I threw more money in earlier today. You guys will see that here. So the core account currently at 43,354 and 35 cents. And here is my recent activity. So I got $10 here with the 5 and 5. I got 157 that I threw in a one-time investment and $24 more. I'm trying to put $5 or more a day, so I'm always adding more money to the portfolio. Total invested now is at $37,496 and 98 cents. That's gonna go up higher when all these one-time investments are now in there. So that's where it's currently at. You can see my all-time gains at 5,739 and 69 cents. Now, the good thing is that on Friday, the market did recover a little bit, not to all-time highs or anything like that, but it did recover. I saw the S&P 500 looking good to end at 369-ish, I believe. But that's where I believe it ended. I can actually show you guys here. Yep, 369 and 16 cents. Currently, the stock of the VOO, the ETF, it looked pretty good to end on Friday, but we got to wait to see how the rest of this week plays out. Hopefully, it's a little bit more bullish than bearish, but if we do get more bearish news, more bearish pullbacks, I would recommend dollar cost averaging your way into your stocks, ETFs, or crypto. And that way you guys will take advantage of pullbacks even more. So definitely that's something I recommend. Again, not financial advice. So you can see the last 30 days I've invested around $1,048.29, mainly one-time investments. And for the latest account, it's currently at $2,316.50. I haven't put more money into the latest account. I've been going more aggressive with the core account. All time, I'm up $199.50. So that's where I'm at with my Acorns portfolio. You guys saw my crypto portfolio. Like I said, guys, in my opinion, times like these will happen. If we do get another recession, I'm obviously gonna keep with my investment strategy of dollar cost averaging, $5 or more, whatever I can, and just holding on to for the long term. That's the kind of investor I'm in. I'm basically am, excuse me, that's I'm just being patient with it and just trying to take advantage of the pullbacks that we have been seeing lately. So you guys could do whatever you please. I'm just sharing my investments with you guys, my investment journey. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow me on my investment journey. Like the video, leave me your comments below on what you guys think. If you want to sign up for Acorns, Coinbase, Robinhood, check out my links in the description below, as well as Sofi. You can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Those links are in the description as well. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all of you for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.